Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually reset your master combo decoder to factory default and then get back your channel. So if it happens to be that the channels on your decoder have messed up and you don't know what to do, or you are experiencing a no signal problem on your decoder and you are trying to figure out where the problem is coming from, whether it's from the satellite dish or from the decoder settings menu, all you got to do is to reset it to factory default and then get a newer settings on your decoder to actually figure out where exactly the problem is coming from. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and then you press on the menu button, which will take you to the menu. Okay, so on the menu page you look for installation, you tap OK on installation, and on the right side of the page you have some other options over there. You come down to the last option, that's the factory reset, and you press OK on it. And here it's requesting for the default password of the master decoder. If no one have ever changed the default password, it should be 4 zeros. So you type in 4 zeros. If 4 zeros doesn't work, you need to call on the last installer that work on your decoder. Some installers used to change the default code. Alright, so after tapping in, the decoder will reboot. You need to wait patiently. Don't off the decoder when you're rebooting. It's in the process. So it's going to reboot. After rebooting, then you have to do the right settings to actually get your channels working on your decoder. Alright, so after rebooting here, you got to press on the menu button once again and you go straight to the menu. And here, if you want to get the S2, that's the satellite second generation, you need to press on the DVB S2 option over there. And if you want to scan for the antenna channels, that's the terrestrial channels, you need to tap on the T2, that's the terrestrial second generation. So I'm going with the S2, that's the satellite. So when it comes to the satellite, when you open up the satellite page like this, you need to come to the antenna settings. It depends on any decoder that you are using. Some decoders you need to go to the dish setup or dish settings, but with this master decoder you first have to come to the antenna settings. You press OK on it, and then when it opens tab like this, there are some settings that you need to leave it as it is. The main settings that you need to change will be the LMB frequency, the TP, that's the transponder, and then the satellite. But the LMB frequency, most often whenever you reset to factory default, the LMB that will come on it will actually let you get your signal. Okay, so you need to check the LMB frequency whether it has changed. If it has changed from this code, you need to change it back to this code. Alright, so with the satellite, you come here, and then if it's multi-TV that you want to get a multi-TV channels, you can select the multi-TV exact satellite. Alright, or you can select a different satellite and then add the multi-TV TP in your transponder list. So you can select Hotbird, Arabsat. So let's select the multi-TV satellite. That's the Astra 28 degrees, 2A2B 28 degrees. So you come here and you come to the TP list. You look from the list whether you're gonna find a multi-TV TP in it. Then you put it on it. Alright. So after putting it in and you have connected your satellite signal cable onto the decoder and you are still experiencing a no signal problem, you have to point out that the problem is coming from the satellite dish. Alright, so here I'm not having a signal, a multi-TV signal, but rather a DSTV signal. So I need to change the TP to the DSTV TP. So if you have to change the TP or you can't find a multi-TV TP, you need to go back to the transponder list. Alright, so transponder list right here, we have the green button to add. Alright, so you press on the green button to actually add. So the DSTV TP, which is 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. We have different TPs that you can use it to track bar. This is the unique one that you can use. So if this is different from your own, 27500. Alright, and then you press OK to save. You highlight it. As you can see, it has changed to green. So the quality down below have to indicate that you are having a stable signal before you can proceed to scan. So when it comes to the scanning, on this page, on the TP list page, if I'm to scan, I won't get a brand scan option, so I need to go back to the antenna settings page to actually get the brand scan option. So you come down to the start search and then change the option over there to either brand scan or super brand, and you proceed. So on this page, it's actually requesting you to choose whether you want the channels that have been encrypted, the channels with a dollar sign. So if you want the channels with a dollar sign, then you select over there. Okay, so you press yes, you select yes over there to actually get only the FTA channels. All right, and we have the radio and then TV too. You can select either TV if you will not be listening to radio channels. Okay, then you press OK on the search to proceed. All right, so after that, then you're gonna get your channels and then you're gonna enjoy your channel. So thanks for watching. If this happens to be your first time watching me on this channel, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bless up.